We start here in the morning, and then at 9 o'clock we'll, starting mid next week, we will go to reading classes. And we just today finished assessing all their reading levels. Kate and I did. And so what we did is we just laid them all out, and then we kind of split it down the middle. And so I'll have the yellow reading group, which is more the beginner yellow readers, and Kate will have the higher readers, more independent readers. And then we have recess, and then we come back and we do the similar thing for math. So I am doing more of second grade math, and Kate is doing more first grade math. Depending on where your child needs to be, then we'll put them wherever they need to be, just at their level, because we want them to feel successful and be right at their level. So those are the two things that Kate and I switch kids for.
And how many kids are in the?
So we have 24 each.
Okay.
So for math I have 30 for second grade, but I do have Patty Sawyer in here as an aide for that time. Thank goodness.
And
Yes.
did they switch each day? Did
Yes.
they go over to the
Yes.
other class? Okay.
And we just started math this week, Monday. And so math is a new math program, and it's a new math program for both of us to teach. It's called Bridges. I really like it so far. There's a lot to it. It seems to be real hands-on. These are some things that we did, and you can see some things she did out in the hallway actually. But this whole number corner right here, that is all part of our math program, which is really rich. There's just all kinds of things happening just with that. And then there's a whole nother program aside from that. So I'm pretty excited about it. And we made these beetle glyphs, and so now we're interpreting the data, and we made Venn diagrams today with the hula hoops and that kind of thing. So, so that's what our math looks like. And then they go back to recess, and then lunch, and then we usually have a read aloud, and I usually do that from a chapter book. And then this would normally be writing time, but today we were working on some paper t-shirts, writing. And then for writing, they stay in their homeroom classes. Pretty much the whole rest from 12 o'clock on, everybody stays in their homeroom classes. And we both have an AmeriCorps volunteer that comes and helps us with writing, so there's 2 of us in here to help with that. So that's great. And then they have their specials. And then in the afternoon, we either have science, handwriting, library, anything that comes up, art, those kind of things that come up in the afternoon. And then pack up and clean up. This year for science, we're going to start with air and weather. And then we will go to solids and liquids.
What is the sample reading